We'll kick things off with a look at where world markets are trading. We've got Elliot Gotkin standing by in London. But first, let's check in with Zeb Eckert in Hong Kong. And Zeb, a mixed day of trading in Asia, but big gains for the quarter, right?
Absolutely. A mixed day, but let's take a step back and consider that it's the end of September and we've had another consecutive quarter of gains across the Asia Pacific. So certainly good news for stocks and reason for optimism for investors as we look forward to the next quarter. I want to break it down for you and talk about some of the best performing indices across the Asia Pacific region this quarter. And Vietnam, it's a market we've been talking about all week since our interview with the president of Vietnam last week. That market up nearly 30% in the past 3 months. And South Korea, also a very strong performer, trading investors well with nearly a 20% return. The Hang Seng Index up about 14% over the past 3 months. And in Japan, though, we've seen very, very modest gains, up only about 2%. Now, here's the real surprise. In China, stocks falling during this latest quarter, quite a change from the rally that we saw in the first half of the year. Well, let's switch now to Japan and a story you will only hear on Bloomberg. The Bank of Japan is considering ending its purchases of corporate debt. Now, this as businesses regain access to private funding. We've heard of central banks around the world scaling back their funding programs. Most recently, the Federal Reserve this month saying it would shrink its loan auctions to banks as markets improve. So this latest news out of Japan, a sign of that the Bank of Japan is looking at improving markets there. And quickly to China, where manufacturing expanded for a 6th month in September. That is government stimulus and record lending helped local industries. But Beijing's concerned about overcapacity. Just yesterday, they announced curbs on new steel mills as well as cement projects. That's a look at the market action today across the Asia Pac.